Hey family, welcome back to another video. So on today, I know you can hear that my voice is a little bit out. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that me and the girls have been a little under the weather, but I didn't want that to stop me from bringing you another video. So I'm just cleaning up my kitchen and my dining room, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you stay tuned for the next video. Bye, I'll see you soon.
Some people have to say how they want you to take the next 10 steps of your day. Yeah. Some people wanna tell you what they want you to do, but I'ma live my life. Why don't you just live yours? Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma tell you push through, push through. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma tell you push through you. I'ma tell you push through you.
Some people will never see everything that you are, building yourself up to be, from the earth to the stars. And if you stand in my way, your words will mean nothing, no. You cannot hold up my rocket from going where it's gonna go.
I'ma tell you push through, push through. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma tell you push through you. I'ma tell you push through you. Oh, I'ma tell you push through you. Oh, 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 oh. I'ma tell you push through you. I'ma tell you push through you. If you let go,
you treat me like I'm less than. So tell all of your new friends how I am the worst. Put on a show. I can't believe I got to write 20 songs about you to make you just have a clue all the shit you put me through. I can't believe I got to write 20 songs about you to make you just have a clue all the shit you put me through. Tell me what you want, tell me what you need. Tired of trying just for you to leave. I was so sad just staring at my phone. Now I'm glad you're gone, I'd rather be alone. So tell me what you want.